Hey guys, want to see how I made this awesome Father's Day centerpiece using Dollar Tree items? Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Jules and welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so and don't forget that notification bell. We're going to start this project with some glue, with some wood cutouts that look like a truck. We have some foam and two different types of crates from Dollar Tree. I chose white, black, and blue for my project. And just a little side note, make sure that you glue the whole project together before you decide to paint. I chose the larger, thinner crate to go in the back of the truck. One, because you couldn't see it, and two, because the side can be popped off with just a little pressure and you can make it look like a tailgate. To get a perfect tire, I just used one of the other cutouts and I put it right on top to draw or finish off the circle, and then I painted them black. I used a combination of wood glue and hot glue. The wood glue to make the project strong and the hot glue to give it an immediate adhesion. And guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Right here, I just wanted to show you that you can take one of these crates and you can cut them in half and flip it upside down and make the front of the truck. This is just a centerpiece and it's only going to be holding flowers. If I were to be using it in my home, I would probably add the second crate just to make it complete. Then add glue to each corner of the back and add your little tailgate. Isn't that cute? Once you have it all glued together, then you paint it and then you add your foam and your flowers in here. And here's a look at all three without the flowers. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. For the flower arrangements, I chose carnations and these pretty flowers. Every time I see carnations, I think of a tuxedo with the carnation in the lapel. Is it only me? Let me know in the comments below. I also found these word cutouts in Dollar Tree. One says family, the other one says love, home, and believe. And I decided to use them as little sticks for the centerpieces. I painted them all black and I connected them to skewers. And finally, I grabbed the blue beads and I hung them from the back of the truck just to add a little embellishment. You can use these for so many different things. You can use it for Father's Day. You can use it for a tailgate party. You can use it for male birthday. The sky's the limit. You can also use it to decorate your home. So let me know what you would use it for. This is a look at what it looks like on my table, but these are all going to a gathering at our church. I am so happy with the final product. Guys, for all you dads out there, happy Father's Day. And for all you moms who are dads, congratulations, because you're moms and dads too. May you have a wonderful and blessed day. And thank you everyone for stopping by to DIY with Jules. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye. Oh, and once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends.